Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for September 15th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Farm Animals. Farm Animals by Wade Cooper. Farm animals. The animals that live on the farm help us in many ways. Some give us eggs, some give us wool for clothes, some give us meat, some give us milk to drink. Do you know who does what? Lamb. Baa, baa. My mom is a ewe, my dad is a ram, and me? Well, I'm a fluffy lamb. Did you know in summer farmers shear their sheep? The sheep keep cool, and the farmers keep the wool. Sheepdog. Woof, woof. I help the farmer herd his sheep. Then I lie in my basket and fall fast asleep. I wag my tail when I am happy and glad. I yelp and howl when I'm feeling sad. Did you know? Farmers use whistles to talk to their dogs and tell them what to do. Pig. Oink, oink. I grunt and I snort and I dig about. I look for roots with my pink piggy snout. When it's hot, I roll in the mud or a pool. It's the only way I can keep my cool. Did you know? Pig meat is called pork. Ham, bacon, and sausage are all kinds of pork. Chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I strut around, I scratch the ground. I'm fine, I'm proud, I'm very loud. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cluck, cluck. I scratch for food with my chicken feed, and I lay eggs for you to eat. Did you know? Chickens cannot fly far. They use their wings to fly up to a perch at night. Cow. Moo, moo. I am a cow. Hear me moo. I make milk. It's good for you. Did you know milk is used to make butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream? Horse. Neigh, neigh. I stand up all day. I eat grass and hay. But what I like best is to gallop and play. Did you know horses were once used to pull plows and carts on the farm? Duck. Quack, 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 quack. See me waddle, hear me quack. I duck underwater for a weedy snack. I'm always looking for food to eat. I splash all day with my wings and feet. Did you know ducks have waterproof feathers to keep them dry? Goat. Bleat, bleat, bleat. I have a beard and horns. I am a billy goat. When it's cold, I keep warm in my woolly coat. In the fields, I skip around. See how high I leap and bound. Did you know goat's milk can be used to make tasty cheeses? Cat. Meow, meow. During the day, I wash my paws, but when nighttime comes, I sharpen my claws. I sneak around the barn or house. I'm ready to pounce on an unlucky mouse. Did you know cats have special eyes so they can see at night? Goose. Honk, honk, hiss. I hang out by the pond where I like to be boss. Mess with me and I'll become cross. Then I'll honk and hiss, just like this. Did you know geese eat grass? They pull it up with their strong beaks. Quiz. What do you know? 1. What is a daddy sheep called? A ram. 2. What does a dog do when it feels happy? It wags its tail. 3. How does a farmer talk to his sheepdog? He uses a whistle. 4. How were horses once used on the farm? They once pulled plows and carts. 5. What is a goat's milk used for? It can be used to make cheese. 6. What do chickens use their wings for? They use their wings to fly up to a perch at night. 7. How do pigs keep cool? They roll in the mud. 8. How do ducks keep dry? They have waterproof feathers. 9. What does a billy goat have on his head? He has horns. 10. Which animal does yogurt come from? A cow. 11. How can a cat see at night? Cats have special eyes that can see in the dark. 12. What does a goose eat? Grass. Dictionary. Horn. A horn is a kind of pointed bone that grows out of the head of animals like goats and cows. Cheese. Cheese is a food that is made out of milk. Wing. A wing is the part of a bird or insect that it uses for flying. Feather. A feather is one of the soft, light things that cover the body of a bird and help it to fly. Paw. A paw is the name given to an animal's foot. Key words. Here are some key words used in context. Help your child to use other words from the border in simple sentences. I have a beard and horns. I'm on my feet all day. I scratch for food. I make milk so you can eat cheese. I dig for roots with my snout. The end. We're going to make a craft scene, and your craft to go kit includes a barn with a silo, a horse, a pig, a sheep, and a goat, and also a large piece of white construction paper. Which you'll have to unfold. Now what you'll need is crayons, markers, coloring pencils, or paints, whatever you want to do to color your barn and your animals, and a glue stick. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color. So I'm going to make my barn red. Let's see if I can find red in here. That's violet red. Here's red. And I'm just going to go ahead and color the barn and the animals, and then I'll come back and we'll glue it on, and then maybe we'll decorate the white construction paper some so that we can have a whole farm scene. Okay, I've colored my barn and my animals. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the white paper, and I'm going to go ahead and put some grass down at the bottom, just so that we have some color on here. And if we have room, we can add a tree or something, but we'll glue everything down first to see how it all fits. So I'm going to do that, and I think I'm going to do a nice blue sky. Cerulean. Blue-green, we'll do cerulean. Put a sunshine in the corner. Get yellow out. Put a sunshine up here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring this in blue with my yellow sunshine. And then we'll come back and glue it all together. Okay, I added all the color I wanted. And now I'm going to glue the barn on, 'cause that's the biggest part. So I get my glue stick out and draw the glue around the edges of the barn. Put some across the middle. put it down at the bottom here. And I'm gonna put my animals around it. So we have a horse. I'm gonna put my horse in front of the barn. Just putting glue on it. And my horse. My pink little piggy. Got some glue on the outside. Just rub that off. Got my brown and tan goat. And then we'll put our little sheep next to the pig. So that's where he seems to fit. And I don't really have room for any trees or anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as it is. And you can see there's the sheep, the pig, the horse, and the goat. And here's our barn and our silo, our sky, our sun, and our grass. And that is a very cute little farm scene. I hope you enjoyed making yours.